Mother Goose Big Bird has just written a new nursery rhyme. We're gonna first want everyone to hear it. Boy, Zoe wonders gonna be about. Oh, you'll see. Well, get on, I think for the best yet. It's about monster named Zoe. Oh, Zoe? I thought Zoe is gonna be the Mother Goose with Big Bird. I know you thought it, Zoe, but you're almost your best. Anyone is kind enough. Until then, everyone a special day for Gianna's World. And everyone to hear it. Oh, and everyone here to say it. All right, here we go. Right. A diddle diddle. What is Zoe imagining? A diddle diddle. Zoe imagining. Zoe is beyond outer space. And a diddle diddle. How do you walking around to the cross-line street? A diddle monster called Zoe. A diddle monster. Who's caused the biggest troublemaker? Zoe did. Zoe got in trouble. It's called a monster like bye. Then one day, a diddle monster calls and costs money for that. Oh, what a cute monster. And find away, anything with Zoe Monster and a Big Bird Mother Goose. And then a Mother Goose. You're right, Magenta. Oh, well, thank you, Mother Goose Big Bird, for making a rhyming word with Zoe Monster.